What is going on YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me fight on to 20,000 subscribers. I'd greatly appreciate it. Now, this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for apparel and shoes from Nike, Adidas, the Hundreds, or just want to talk up your shoe game in the full service bar in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingItATX.com. Alright, so today we are talking about a women's Jordan 1 shoe, and to be honest, it's probably one of the better women's ones to have released this year in 2021, the SEAFOAM 1s. Now, reading some of its story into it, it's supposed to reflect a bundle of sage. Okay. Regardless of that fact, these are set to release in a week or so, August 12th, 2021, and they retail at a price point of $170 USD, add your VAT or your taxes based on where you reside. Prior to its release, looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, looking at SneakerCon, these are fetching prices in between $250 and $300. Not too shabby, but of course the bigger sizes are pulling the bigger numbers. Again, this is a women's shoe. Unfortunately for Big Size Gang, this colorway is not extending past a women's size 12. So if you wear a men's size 7 US to a 10.5 US, you made the cut. Congratulations. Upon making this purchase, we have the reverse color box going on where you have the predominantly red box, the black Nike lettering, and then the size label at the front. Removing the lid, the shoes are pretty dope and they feel of a great quality. I mean, when I say that this is one of the better women's Jordan 1s to have released this year, I really mean that. Sage green colored suede panels are applied at the eye stay, the mud guard, the heel counter, the ankle strap, and of course the Nike swoosh that is smack dab in the middle. Now gliding my fingers across, you can see the change in color variations. The hairs are short and they're neat. The white Air Jordan Wings logo is debossed into the ankle strap right here, which is pretty standard to the Jordan 1 form. White leather is employed pretty much everywhere else, the quarter panels of the lateral and the medial, the vamp with the perforated holes, and at the collar of the shoe. The leather is of a smooth format with some firmness to it. It's satisfactory, nothing really exceeding my expectations. My favorite part, we are provided a default lace that's of a flat shape. The outline of the laces inherit orange, which is representative to the rope that ties the sage together. Right, if you say so, Nike. They could have just provided a rope type lace like they did with the Travis Scott Dunks, and that would have made it more believable. I do like these laces, though they do package two other sets of laces, a SEAFOAM and a white set. All look good on the shoe equally. Due to the laziness, I'll keep the orange ones on. Behind those sets of laces is the standard padded mesh tongue in white, donning the Nike Air woven label in a SEAFOAM color where the text is done up in white. Now, moving to the inside of the shoe, I really hate the lining of the shoe. White lining is the devil. It gets dirty too easily. They could have done this in a SEAFOAM color, regardless of the fact it is a padded mesh format providing comfort to the ankle, padded at the lateral, the medial, and at the heel of the shoe. Now, removing the insoles, we have a SEAFOAM colored fabric laid upon a thin piece of blue foam. White Nike Air branding is present at the heel. Now, this insole, it doesn't provide much in terms of support or cushioning. However, you can always remove the insoles to Jordan 1s and throw in an aftermarket one. I usually use soft soles as they provide a lot of arch support and pronation support. Check out the link in the description box below. The midsole is your standard white rubber compound featured at the base of the shoe. An air unit is encapsulated at the heel area to assist with that heel impact. Now, much like the midsole, the outsole is also made of a rubber compound, but done in the SEAFOAM color. It's flexible, it's durable, and it provides sticky traction. Speaking of, the traction markings are in tradition or in line with your typical Jordan 1 shoe, where you have your circle marks at the top, the grid mark at the bottom, and your Nike Air branding smack dab in the middle. In terms of sizing, once again, this is a women's shoe. It's being made available in a women's size 5 to a women's size 12. If you identify as male, add 1.5 to your current men's shoe size to get the conversion size to a women. So an 8 men's is a women's 9.5 women's. Once you get your size, they fit pretty true to size. They don't feel any more narrower than a men's Jordan 1, which is kind of surprising as it is a women's shoe. If you don't know your size, go ahead and check out a mall retailer with Jordan lows or mids in stock and get sized up. Overall, the SEAFOAM 1s are a great addition to the women's repository of Jordan releases in 2021. It employs great material, it provides enough laces for someone to choose between one or the other, and it presents a silhouette known for its aggressiveness with a pastel theme. A complete 180. And I enjoy the fact that this shoe isn't dainty or looks to be only for women, but how it's versatile for persons across the spectrum. And I think that's what women have been asking for. Not everything is pink, purple, or glittery to them. This is a great compromise. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the SEAFOAM 1s? Are you trying to pick up a pair? Do you wish they were offered in extended sizes? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go and check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and let's get this channel to that 20,000 subscriber mark. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya and we will check you next time. Cheers! Sige na!